partnership to end breast cancer through early detection. Learn more at cianewsnow.com.
They're the faces of crime. And if you recognize them, you could help get them off the streets. A showcase of Central Illinois criminals. See who police are searching for.
I believe they're making babies. What on earth? And that is just crazy. Oh my goodness. There's 2 hummingbirds. One is upside down. And the other... Oh, what? The one is still upside down. That is crazy. What on earth? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. They do it so weird. Oh my god. What is